Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to remove your debit card or credit card details from your Xbox account. So already I have in my previous video you can see that I have removed from my Xbox console. This is directly I'm going to through browser. So this is xbox.com and you need to log in with your account. Once you logged in, right, you can see this. Just click this profile and go to Xbox settings. When you go Xbox settings, right, you can see this page and we have to go to the billing informations. So just under this billing, click this remove or add payment options. Just click this. So I have one credit card details here, that is Visa card. So this one, right, I'm just going to remove. Are you sure you want to remove Visa card 0431? Yes, remove it. That's it. Now I'm going back to payments. It's removed, so there is no credit card, debit card details in my account. So it might be helpful to you. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.